let's get this health time in. It's health time. So get your health books out. And we have been talking in health. Oh, before I forget, because I think I'm going to get so into this video that I'm going to forget to tell you, there is a health test. Your health test is next Friday, a week from today, next Friday. Okay. So over unit 1, which is what we're still working on. But I just wanted to tell you, because I would like in school, I would try to tell you at least a week. I wasn't always good about that, but I tried a week in advance. So next Friday is going to be your health test over unit 1. So be prepared for that. Be studying over all those things. We'll be ending on page 54. I believe. And then, so from what we've been learning already to page 54, know those definitions of what is posture, what is a habit, involuntary and voluntary muscles, what are some voluntary muscles or involuntary muscles, what kind of posture do we need to have for sitting and for standing, what are nutrients, what do they do for your body, what are the food groups, name some foods in each food group, all of those things that we've been talking through this whole time. That's what you're going to be wanting to be studying over. So just look at it, we just like you would during school. I mean, this is still school. Look at a little bit each day. Be reviewing and studying. We don't get to review with games and stuff like we used to, but keep those things in mind, and I'll try to get some, review things to you as much as I can, but just keep reviewing them every day. But one of the things that we've been talking about is nutrients in you. And when we have nutrients, our nutrients are substances found in food that help your body grow and develop. Good, I heard you. So you do know that. Try it again. Nutrients are substances found in food that help your body grow and develop. Good. Did you do the motions with me? Oh, you didn't. You thought you could get away with not doing them? Nope. Not in Miss Monroe's class. Get up, stand. It's for 2 seconds. It's not going to kill you. You've been sitting around. It's time to get up. Real quickly. Ready? You're still, you think you're still sitting. Get up. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for obeying the first time. Okay. Remember, we always obey the first time. Your parents too, especially. Okay, so nutrients are substances found in food that help your body grow and develop. Excellent. One more time. I know I told you 2 seconds. So what? It's 4. You'll find. Nutrients are substances found in food that help our bodies grow and develop, right? Okay, good. Now you can be seated and finish watching. So we've talked about our nutrients and how important they are. And then we talked about different kinds of nutrients. The first nutrient that we talked about was our protein, and how we need to eat protein food at every meal because so much of our body is made of protein. Our hair, our nails, our brain, so much of it, our skin. And we need to have that protein kind of in our bodies. Our body can't store it, so we need to eat as much protein for breakfast, lunch, and dinner as we can, and that how helpful it is. Look for those foods that you're going to need to be eating for that. Then we started talking about our vitamins, and we started talking about little specific things that we could remember with our vitamins. So looking carefully, vitamin A, what was that? Okay, remember guys, I love that you know it, but wait for me to finish the question first. I'm very proud of you. Give yourself a good pat on the back, but also give yourself a little pat on the mouth. Wait for me to finish. But it is, vitamin A is from the food that we get from animals. Very good. A, animals. So that's important. What are some of those foods? Yeah, liver, trout, right? Salmon, egg yolk, cheddar cheese, butter, carrot. Okay, those are foods that are rich in vitamin A that are going to be good for our bodies. Then we had the B vitamins. What was the thing that we needed to? Yes, wait for me to finish. That there are 8 B vitamins, and 8 looks like a B. When when we use our imaginations, it looks like a bee. Well, it'll help us remember B. Okay, let's just leave it at that. 8 different B vitamins. They have numbers. Vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B12. There's different numbers. But those vitamins are so helpful. They help our bodies even use vitamin A. So that's another important thing. Look back at the different boxes that tell you what those vitamins do and how they're able to help you. What vitamin C does, what vitamin B does, what each of B vitamins do. All of those. There are 8 different B vitamins. Vitamin A from animals. How do those help you? We know that they help our skin, they help our nails. All of those that are going to be helping our bodies to grow properly. That's what nutrients are doing, right? Then we talked about vitamin C. How do we remember C? With our citrus fruits. Very good. So C and citrus, the C and citrus, help us to remember those. What was that terrible disease that sailors were getting? Do you remember what? Yes, it's called scurvy, okay? It makes you think of a pirate, so if you have to say it in pirate language, scurvy, then do that so you'll remember. Vitamin C was used to help cure that because there was the one sailor captain who was coming back home, and all of his sailors were fine, where other sailors were like half their crew and more were dying on the water. And people looked at him and said, how come yours are fine where mine have died? And he's going, oh, we just give lemon juice. I think it was lemon juice or lemons or something that he was giving to them to on the ship, because remember, they were eating salted meat and dry biscuits, and they didn't have any fruits or vegetables because that's not going to last. Produce isn't going to last on a boat, so they didn't think to bring things like that. But fruits like lemons and limes and oranges and grapefruits, those were things that sailors needed, their juices. Even if they just had the juice, if they didn't bring the whole, lemon lime so that it was going to go bad, drink the juices from those citrus fruits, and that was going to help them. So then vitamin D, page 41, because this is taking a while. Oh, I'm sorry it's taking so long. Vitamin D, rickets is a disease that causes bones to become soft and bend. Not a good disease to be having. Nutrients, minerals are nutrients from the soil that are found in many foods. So we're going to talk about another nutrient. We already talked about proteins and vitamins. Now we're going to mention another nutrient, but we're on to vitamin D right now. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin. So when you think of vitamin D, think of, whoa, it's a little harder to write on this side. Think of sun, okay? And if it helps you, then draw a D and, pretend that half of the sun is behind a cloud and only part of it, if that's what helps. Whatever helps you to remember, vitamin D is sunshine. So when you go outside today and play in the sunshine, that is when you can get vitamin D. Look what it says. When sunshine falls directly onto your skin, it forms vitamin D inside your body. So when you go outside today and you kind of go ride your bike or whatever, or walk, it's vitamin D is getting into your body just with the sun hitting your body. Depending only on the sun for vitamin D, though, is not very wise. Sunburns can cause permanent damage to your skin, so you don't want to just stay in the sun forever without, some protection, because that can cause damage. Playing and resting outside in the sunshine help you to get vitamin D, but you also need to eat foods that contain it. Some of these foods are milk, vitamin D is in milk, cheese, fish, and egg yolks. Vitamin D helps you to have good health. And this is what vitamin D does. It helps your body build strong bones and teeth. We've talked about that before as well. That's very important. It helps prevent diseases such as rickets and that terrible disease that we just talked about, soft, bendy bones. Vitamin D helps your bones and teeth grow strong. Have you ever broken a bone? Vitamin D is one vitamin that helps bones heal and become strong again. Vitamin D helps keep your bones and muscles strong, your heart healthy, and prevent some diseases. Some people who do not get enough vitamin D can develop that disease called rickets that causes bones to become soft and bend. So we need vitamin D because that lack of it could cause that disease called rickets. It's not something you have to be born with. It's something that can come from lack of enough vitamin D, okay? Then vitamin E. There's a way to figure this one out too. I'm telling you, they all have great little hints to them. Let's look at that first sentence. Vitamin E protects your cells from damage. And look at this next sentence. It helps your body use the nutrients it gets from the foods you eat. So vitamin A, from the foods that you eat, it gets those nutrients, which helps your body to be able to protect cells from damage. Almonds, avocados, dark leafy greens, sweet potatoes, sunflower seeds, butternut squash. I just got that yesterday. Fish and olive oil are great sources of vitamin E. A lack of vitamin E can keep your body from using other nutrients that you need. It can also cause problems in your blood, making you feel tired and weak. Vitamin E does these things. It keeps nutrients from being destroyed in your body. It helps your body use vitamin A. It helps your body fight off diseases, and it helps keep your heart and skeletal muscles healthy. So vitamin E is also very important. Now, vitamin K. Vitamin K, your body needs vitamin K, and look at what it says, to help your, read it, blood to what? Clot. And you're like, Miss Monroe, there's no K in clot, right? But look at vitamin C for citrus. It's the C, citrus. But here, vitamin K has the K sound. The clot has the K sound, clot. So vitamin K helps your blood to clot. So that K sound will help you to think of that K, that C, that hard KC. I know that doesn't make sense, but in the beginning. So your body needs vitamin K to help your blood clot when you get a cut or a scrape. It helps to keep your heart and bones healthy. It can also help to prevent some types of cancer. When you eat green leafy vegetables, broccoli, yogurt, prunes, and asparagus, you are eating healthy amounts of vitamin K. If your body does not have enough vitamin K, you might lose too much blood from even a small cut or scratch. So helping our blood to clot is a very important thing. Vitamin K does these things. It helps your blood to clot, okay? K, clot. E, eat. D, sunshine. C, citrus. B, 8, and A, animals. Remember those. Helps your blood to clot. It helps keep your heart and bones healthy, and it helps prevent some types of cancer. Now, I want to, kind of keep up with those things. You guys are going to have to look at the think on the bottom and do those, but because of time's sake, we can't really get to all of those. So really be focused in thinking. Minerals. Do you know that you eat the roots? Oh, by the way, well, we'll talk about this in a minute. Do you know that you eat the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and seeds of plants? We eat the whole plant. Oh, I don't eat roots, Miss Monroe. Oh, you do. Okay. You eat the roots of carrots, beets, and sweet potatoes because they're roots. The stems of asparagus or celery. We talked about that in class, remember? The leaves of spinach and lettuce. The flowers of broccoli and cauliflower. And the seeds of beans, sunflowers, almonds, and pecans. Can you name some other roots that you eat? Some other stems, some other leaves, some other flowers, some other seeds? Do that. Stop this and discuss some of those other things that you're eating that are roots, stems, flowers, seeds, leaves with your parents, because it's important to think, oh, wow, that's what that is. Yes. So minerals. Minerals are nutrients. So this is why I'm writing them like this, because I want you to understand. No, I'm doing it the wrong way. Minerals are nutrients. So when we're talking about what are some nutrients, well, proteins are nutrients, vitamins, minerals are nutrients, okay? They are found from the soil in many foods that we eat. The root The roots of a plant take water and minerals from the soil. The water and minerals go through the stem to every part of the plant. Your body gets minerals when you eat each part of a plant: fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts. You also get minerals from animals that have eaten those plants. Important minerals include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, sodium, iron, and iodine. They are necessary to keep your body growing and working well. Minerals do all these things. They help build strong bones and teeth again. They help broken bones to mend. They prevent tooth decay. They keep your blood healthy. They help your blood to clot. So the minerals can help do that. They help keep your heartbeat regular. They help your muscles to contract. They help you to relax. They help change food into energy that your body can use. So all of that is so important. Read over those things about minerals again, and then look at the which part. You're going to put which part of the, whether it's the stem, the root, the leaf, the flower, the seed, that each of those foods are at the bottom, okay? Then, I know this is why I'm going fast, because this is like taking forever, but what we're going to get through what we're supposed to today so we can be on course for our test next week. Calcium. Calcium is the most common mineral found in our bodies. Your blood carries calcium to your bones and teeth to make them grow strong. Even though most of the calcium in your body is in your bones and teeth, your blood also needs calcium. If you do not get enough calcium from the foods you eat, your blood will take calcium from your bones instead of from carrying calcium to them. So your body's it's going to take care of itself. Okay. If you're not giving it enough calcium, it's going to take calcium from your bones. It's supposed to be giving calcium to your bones to make them stronger and healthier, but it's going to say, I need calcium from somewhere in order to keep maintaining. So I'm going to take it. Okay. Bones that lose calcium may become so weak that they break. So you need to make sure that you are eating good food that has calcium. Do your parents tell you to drink plenty of milk? Milk is a good source of calcium. Yogurt also contains healthy amounts of calcium. So maybe you don't want to drink a lot of milk. Maybe you do. Then drink some. Drink milk. It's good. Now we need 6 glasses of water or, liquids. It's better if it's water, but if you need, drink some milk. It's good for you. If you can't drink a lot of milk, then fine, eat some yogurt. Yogurt is good for your body. It has healthy amounts of calcium. Although most cheeses are a good source of protein, only a few cheeses such as cheddar are high in calcium. But if you like cheddar cheese, chomp on that. Other foods that contain some calcium are sardines, shellfish, yes, canned salmon, and green leafy vegetables. It is important that you get enough calcium in your diet every day. So make sure, because otherwise it's going to take it from your bones, and then your bones are going to be left more brittle and will become more easy to break. I think I said that correctly. I'm not even sure. Anyway, it's going to be easier for them to break rather than being nice and strong. If you do not eat enough foods rich in calcium, or if your body does not absorb the calcium that you do eat, your teeth and bones will not grow strong. Broken bones will take longer to heal. A lack of calcium may also cause your muscles to cramp. You may feel grouchy and it may be hard for you to sit still. You have learned that nutrients work together to keep you healthy. If even one nutrient is missing in your diet, it affects how your body uses other nutrients. Calcium and phosphorus work together to build strong bones and teeth, but without enough vitamin D, your body cannot absorb the calcium that it needs. Vitamin C and magnesium help your body absorb calcium too. Without the right amount of all the vitamins, calcium cannot do its job in your body. A balanced diet helps each vitamin and mineral do what it is supposed to do. A lack of any of them keeps your body from working the way it should. That's why we kind of sit there and we're like, I'm just a kid. It's fine if I don't eat healthy. I'll do it when I get older. You probably won't do it when you get older, so it's a good habit to get into now. But you're also not allowing your body to grow as healthy as it could. So you have to make sure to look and think, okay, this is important. I do need to have this proper health. I do need to eat these proper foods so that my bones can grow strong, so that I can be healthy. It's all very important, and a lot of these things work together. So pay attention to the nutrients that we're learning about. Why are they so important, and how are they helping your body to grow and develop like it's supposed to? We'll find out some more things on Monday. I hope you guys have an excellent afternoon.